Hello guys, and today I want to show you how I just make this biome with honey and honey hive, and here we'll wait a little bit and another. Yeah, it's very easy when you have a strategy, but yeah, you can die also, but it's good that you have checkpoints here. So yeah, you can speedrun, you cannot, yeah, you know, that's not very something. Oh, in the videos, in the last video with yeah, now this here, I showed you the sticker, there's one there, and here we go, my favorite part. Oh, here was a sticker too, yeah, right there. And now we can just kill it, but okay. Oh, I know that's bad. Oh, that's very bad, but okay. Okay. Yeah. Oh, I fell. Oh, that's bad. I like my skin. Yeah, just like copy that. I used all the items, gold or yellow. You know, that's the very something hard to do. No, I just wanted the gold skin, gold chica, gold bear. Oh, I forgot the earring. But okay, does not really matter. Yellow bandana. Not bandana. Yeah, the third level of robo glasses. You know this. Now, maybe here we are. Yeah, we can just. Okay. Oh. And here it is. This bee. But you know, I want to go to the baby and jump from there to this. Oh. Oh no, I actually almost did it. Okay, let's go here. Oh, that's not cool, but okay. Let's go here. And yeah, -1 HP. And yeah, it's remaining one last HP. No, I almost hit it. Cause he's fast now. Or she. Yeah, maybe it's it. And you know, don't use CapCut yet. It's just message CapCut, but I don't use it because it's like, no, it's for money. Oh no, and I have 1 HP. Better it would not now. This panda hero adventure is very disgusting. Just there are no bees, they're like just bats, and yeah, that's very disgusting game. Oh, there's a sticker. Yeah, and I showed you just all the 3 stickers. No. There was a video. Oh, I only now have seen it. And do you see the like where coming from this like where coming these glass bottles with honey. Okay, purple honey. It's very, very, interesting, like in this location. And it's like I'm in another world. That's a very, very, I like this game for. Oh, here's the chest with this emote. Yeah, I did like this. And I'm after the final, so yeah. It need to be like I will be smashed. Oh, I didn't want to talk of you. And that's Baron's brother. But I the key. Who is he? I don't care. Who is he? I just want to get to the final. Oh, the baby actress. Hi. Get away up here. You're nothing in this life. No, that's disgusting that these have only. Oh, you see? You see? It don't have texture. It just have a small shadow. Yeah, the circle like, and that's a circle isn't that much. You just see the texture when it's like almost almost at the when you're almost at the edge. Oh, I'm here, and here he says that I can't go anywhere. But Chica is cool and safe. Okay. The spell doesn't work, so it's backpacks. Yeah. I think okay. Maybe it's logic that Chica is a backpack, but okay. Chica is cool, Chica is live. That's one problem. Backpacks aren't alive. But this tip. It's very hard to play with Chica. Like for this. You hit one B and you fall down. That's very uncool. That's like just not cool. And that's me from the future. I will just a lot of dinosaurs fall here, and after that I will no a single way. So goodbye. Have a nice looking view. And here we are. Run, just do this. Just do this. Okay. Oh yeah. I forgot that I could just break it. The bee, go away. It's very I like a horse. And now we are breaking these spikes from purple honey. How you created spikes from honey? Honey is melting without any hot temperature. Yeah, it's melting at winter. But here he just created spikes. And okay, this is very annoying. But yeah, this very hard part. Oh, you see? You saw that? Stupid brother. It's very annoying and hard part, because of this. When you hit and you need to hit it another time, but just this throws at random direction, And you just want to go to the ball, but you're just not able to. Oh, it killed me. Okay, that's very hard. Okay, block blast. But okay, I will skip this out. And you know, you just need to do this. And the very annoying part. Okay, just put the video under the no to the final place. Yeah, just watch it. Maybe I will do it. No, I can do it. I can do this. I can do this. Fall down.